Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, we'll be comparing Apollo.io versus Clay AI. We'll be comparing them via lead quality, pricing, automation, AI features, deliverability, and setup time, so you can decide which tool is best for your situation in 2026. If you are doing cold outreach, lead generation, agent prospecting, recruiting, or B2B sales, this comparison is important because these tools approach outbound in completely different ways. And a lot of beginners tend to buy the wrong one because they don't understand that difference. By the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up to Apollo.io for completely free. Now let's dive in. Here's the easiest way to think about Apollo.io and Clay. Apollo is an all-in-one outbound sales platform. With Apollo, you'll be able to find leads, build lists, send cold emails, automate follow-ups, and also track replies and manage outreach, all in one dashboard. Clay, on the other hand, works completely differently. Clay is more like a data enrichment engine. Instead of relying on one database, Clay pulls data from multiple providers using something called the waterfall enrichment system. Basically, if one source can't find accurate contact data, Clay checks another source, then another source, until it finds the best results possible. Advanced growth teams love Clay. But here's the catch, Clay doesn't really replace your outreach stack. It still needs other tools for sending emails and managing campaigns. Now let's talk about data quality and deliverability, as this is where the conversation gets really interesting. Apollo has a huge built-in database with millions of contacts and companies. And honestly, for most small businesses and outbound teams, it's more than enough. You can filter by industry, company size, job title, technologies used, hiring activity, revenue, intent signals, and more. The biggest advantage with Apollo is speed. You can literally build a lead list and launch outreach the same day. What some users do report occasional data accuracy issues depending on the niche they are targeting. And if you're sending cold email at high volume, even small increases in bounce rate can hurt deliverability over time. Clay's entire value proposition is basically cleaner data because Clay checks multiple data providers instead of relying on a single database. Many users report lower bounce rates and better enrichment quality. So if your business depends heavily on deliverability and highly accurate enrichment, Clay has a real advantage there. But here's where things get tricky. Better data doesn't always mean better results because the workflow difference between these tools is massive. Now let's talk about ease of use and setup time. Apollo.io is designed for speed and simplicity. All you'll need to do is go onto apollo.com. From there, you'll be able to sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you can choose to either import your leads or you can use their built-in lead list to find leads. So you can tap right here on people. And from here, you can find numerous prospects. Then from there, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, and just like that, you'll be able to build sequences and launch outreach within a few hours. That's a huge reason Apollo has exploded in popularity recently. Clay, on the other hand, is much more technical. You build workflows, so once you sign up, this is how your dashboard will look. From here, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you'll be able to find leads. You can tap on Clay right here for a quick start. Then you can use the different filters that they have on the left-hand column, as you can see right here. And you'll be able to build your workflow, tables, enrichment pipelines, custom automations, and integrations. For technical users or rev-up teams, that flexibility is incredible. But for beginners, Clay can honestly feel overwhelming at first. A lot of people buy Clay because Twitter growth operators hype it up, then realize they still need an email platform, sending infrastructure, lead sources, CRM workflows, and outreach systems. So the real question becomes, do you want a ready-to-go outbound platform or customizable data engine? Now let's talk about AI features and automation. Both platforms are leaning heavily into AI now. Apollo has added AI email writing, lead recommendations, account insights, sequence optimization, and workflow automation. The advantage is everything is already integrated together. Clay, on the other hand, if we were to go onto Clay, is incredibly powerful for AI workflows if you know what you're doing. You can create advanced enrichment systems using GPT prompts, custom workflows, web scraping, enrichment chains, and AI-powered research automations. This is why a lot of elite outbound operators love Clay AI. But again, there's a learning curve. Apollo feels more plug and play, Clay feels more build your own system. And if we were to compare them via pricing, with Apollo.io, while you can get started for completely free, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $59 and it can go up to $149. While with Clay AI, if we were to go onto their pricing plan, you can also get started for completely free and their monthly plan begins at $185 and it can go up to $495. So both plans are relatively affordable and both of them offer a free plan. That's important because you're not paying. Now let me break down the pricing even further. So with Apollo, you are getting the free plan, a relatively affordable paid plans also, and built-in outreach tools included. That's important because you're not paying separately for prospecting, sequencing, automation, and CRM syncing. With Clay, it is also quite affordable as you'll be getting a free plan, but Clay charges based on usage and enrichment credit instead of seats. That can become powerful for larger teams, but for smaller businesses, the costs can stack up quickly once you add enrichment providers, sales navigator, sending tools, and CRM integrations. So for most beginners and smaller outbound teams, Apollo usually delivers much better value over time. So here's my honest take after comparing both platforms. If you're a beginner, solo founder, agency owner, SDR, recruiter, or small outbound team, Apollo.io probably is the better starting point. You get leads, outreach, automation, AI tools, and CRM syncing, all in one platform. It's faster to learn, faster to launch, and much easier to scale earlier on. Now, if you're a more advanced growth team focused heavily on deliverability, enrichment quality, custom workflows, and multi-step AI automations, then Clay becomes extremely powerful. But for most people watching this video, Apollo.io is probably the more practical choice. If you want to try Apollo.io for yourself, I'll leave my link below in the description, and if you want another comparison video, check out this one right here where I compare Apollo.io against Zoom Info because that one gets really interesting. Thanks for watching.